Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Aloy World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you create YouTube video by Filmora9 software. So I have installed it before. Here I have another tutorial how to install and download this software. Now I want to direct create YouTube video. So first of all open. So before that we have to remember it when you open this. So we will obviously turn off the internet. Then after completing the open, then turn on the Wi-Fi or internet line. So now I will start. So from the recording section, here this record PC screen. So click here, the thing will come. That means I have clicked it before, that's why I'm doing the video. That's why it will give here. Now I will create any kinds of video, like I will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinning before. Go to, so during this video if you want to show this thing you can, otherwise you can minimize this section. So go to the three bar icon, enter the settings option. Here the front page in general we will do any kinds of thing or any kinds of thing like the dark mode, like that. In language or appearance sections, website appearance, we wanna do the screen on dark mode. See, the thing has been created in this way. So the video has been done. See, so in this way I can off this thing. Now stop this thing. See, I will close the thing and I'm doing the phone. So here the yes button, no, I will just do no option, and also close this. So maximize this. I want to do the video thing. So here let's take. So here the thing and the section has been here. This means the sound system has been going on. Now I want to off this thing. Also now I want to create the title. See here the title I will give. Here I have selected this option. Here the paste and do this, enter, and we want to do this the bold. Also we wanna change the font. Okay, see, now I want to add my picture. So that's why I have to import this thing. This picture I want to select as, because I have opened it all kinds of this here, and I also see this has come. So this thing I have want to minimize. See, and okay. Now I want to do the scrolling when I starting the work here, and this option I want to do the whole videos. So I will turn it, or here the 1 minute 34 second or something. Here the timer section has, so we can select it from the here in this criteria. Okay, now I want to export here the thing, and I will give the, see, it is going on. It is working. See, the thing has been working. Let's check again where it will work. Here the disk volume, here the things, also new folder. The thing is create YouTube videos by Filmora9 software. MP3 has been downloaded. Sorry, has been exported. Now the video, again I am doing video via my main Windows program. If I want, I can do the virtual box. Now I will do not this thing. I want to do again the thing have been automatically the rapid text tag I have used. Here the things, my tagging option or tagging thing. Here the CSS means canva.com, where I can use the thumbnail. So here I will create, or I have created lots of thumbnail. Before that I have created I will do any kinds of no. So if I want to do this thing, let's check. I will do this thing here. So the thing I will here, see, and the thing has been here the name, and here the content. Also I can do the filmora 9 one to image. I can use which one, this one, not this one, this one. Here the copy image, and I can minimize this, and also here the central V. See, the thing has been here. Now I want to download, so here the share, here the download option. So before download option I have to create the JPG file as well as the page number. Which one? This is the 62 page number. I have to block this, and this page I will done. And before the preference, if you want to again and again this thing, so save the download, so marking or unmarking this thing, download. Here it is downloading. See, the thing has been download here, and I will do the copy, and I will take my folder. So here the things, see, this is my image or tag thumbnail, and here is my video. So here I also do the another things, the tag generator. Copy here in notepad, I will do this thing, and now I will work this. So first of all, the thing I will copy and go to that image. Here the thing, the properties, details, I will do the title, copy paste. Here also the copy paste and rating. This is the work, that means that's called SEO. Here tag option later I will do. See, same thing I will work the next option also details, or here you can press the right button as well as the properties. The thing has been copy paste that name. This is the rating option I have to give in. Here the tagging option later I will show you. See, in tag option this thing I will copy paste. See the tag option, and then apply and OK. See, here the image, here I will give the rating maximum rating 5, and tagging option I will do this, apply, OK. See, so the thing has, where I have here, see, these two options. Now I will download this, upload this. So where this is my page, and create it, upload videos. You just follow the instruction, then you can do it very easily. This thing I will upload it and open, and the tags I will again copy, and here the settings things option I have embedded before another video. I will show you thumbnail. I uploaded a file. Which file? That file I have created. So here, that create YouTube videos. See here, playlist here also randomly, or if you have any kinds of choice. Scrolling the see more, here I will go to the tag. So tag, that is very important, otherwise the person who have won this, he can't able to do this. In also here the YouTube, this tag, this filmora, this also another tag, and software I also give here the next add card. I have to use it video, that the thing I will show you my video that I have created. So where is my video? Go to this, then you will get it very well. So the format has been here. Which one? That is the cards. So Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is see the card things, as well as here also the video. What kinds of thing I will go to the, I will give the playlist section, and that will come, and any kinds of the video you can randomly select it. Here maximum 4, or import video at end of screen. I will go give any kinds of thing, say here the next. See here the private, unlisted, public. So now I want to publish the schedule. I can set here these things, and kinds of upcoming days I can, as well as time schedule also, as a premiere also schedule. No, I will not. See, I have given a schedule 25. So now I want to edit this thing. Here the details, that means the edit sign, not equal. I will do the thing as 24, not this, where the thing zero 06 to 8. Now save. So my come in, and again go to the channel contents. See, published on, see, the thing has been published. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.